Hello everyone, I am Barkha from WinsurTech in Webner. Today in this video, I am going to demo WinsurTech eSign online for secure digital signatures. This is the first video in this series and this one is to demo digital signatures for a standard proposal, agreement or contract document. You have it in MS Word format or in a PDF format and you want it digitally signed. You need to share this document online with the other party and you and the other party need to review it online and sign it securely. eSign Online is the best platform for you for digital signature. Let's start the demo. Navigate to esign.winsurtech.com. You can sign in or sign up through Gmail or LinkedIn. I am signing in with Google here. So you will see the welcome page. You can also see that I am on the standard plan. Click here to see details. One thing I want to tell you is that each user is automatically subscribed to a free plan that allows access to a limited number of monthly e-signatures for free. For more advanced features, you can upgrade to a premium plan to access all of the features. Moving forward, the first link is the signed document. You just need to click on this option. We need to upload the document in MS Word or PDF format. So here I am uploading the document now. So here you need to enter a unique name to easily identify the document. The default suggested name will also work, but I am writing ABC Company's Agreement here. Now click on the Define Signature Points button to add the signatories. As you can see, the document is loaded in the browser and we can add the signatories to the document. On the right side, there is a list of icons. If you hover over any icon, you can see the tooltip to see the explanation of each icon. The second icon is for inserting a signature element. Drag and place the signature element wherever you want. But before that, I am going to use this third icon, which is for sign now. The owner of the document can digitally sign the document right now. You need to drag the sign now icon and place it wherever you want to sign. So as an owner, I am inserting my digital signature here. The signature has been added. Now I have to add the signature point for the other party. So I am dragging the second icon, which is the insert signature icon. Just drag the element here and place it. This new small window will open to ask for the email ID of the signatory. As you type the email ID, if it will be a prior contact saved in eSign online system, it will show you in the search result below the text box and you can select from there and then click next button. Otherwise, for a new contact, just type the email ID. Name, and click on the next button. The contact will be saved along with the signature elements placement on the document. So now the next step is to send the document. You will see on the top right there is a button, Finalize and Send. Click here. You will see this review page. You can see the signatories. If you see a preview button located on the right side, by clicking on it, you can preview your document. This is how the other party is going to see it when they get the link. If you wish to add the due date for the signatures, like before this date the other party needs to sign the document, click add due date icon below this box in the right side corner. If you wish to send a copy of this document to others, you may add their name and email address in the CC field. You can also add a descriptive text message that will be sent as a part of the email to the other party. Now click on the send button and the document has been sent to the client. After that, you will see the document list page. You can see the title of the document, status of the document. Next you can see the unique code and you will find the last updated date. The action button will appear next, where you will see the various icons. The first icon is view document. You can view your document. The next icon is audit trail. By clicking on this icon, you can see the name, code, status, due date, document history. The next icon is send reminder. By clicking on this, you can give them a reminder if they do not sign. I am now opening the email as the recipient. As you can see, I have received the mail. I will now click on view and take action button. I will now sign the document. You will see the signature has been added. Now I will accept the document. You can also add a message if you want to. So the document has been signed and accepted. Now I will go back to my email, which means owner's email ID, and I have received the email that everyone has accepted the document. I will open the document. As you can see, both the parties have signed the document. You can also download the document. So this is how the process works. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. For any assistance regarding AL3, Accord Forms, Accord XML or any PNC insurance project, feel free to contact us on contact@winsurtech.com.